cards and blue deck of cards. The first I show for you the red deck of cards. This. The red deck of cards. Say me please a stop.
Stop.
Your card is 5 of spades. I put back a 5 of spades in the middle and put back the red cards in the red case. I show again. Red deck of cards and blue deck of cards. Look. Red deck of cards and blue deck of cards. And now I show for you the blue cards. Blue deck of cards. It's a blue deck of cards. I have only one card with red back. This is your card, 5 of spades. Yes, it is.